Has this ever happened to you? You're at the beach. You're hungry, but there's nothing to eat.
Well, hi. We're Mike and Tim.
And Tim.
And we're here to inform you about our new idea.
I'm glad you asked. Let's walk and talk. Taco Boat is a new inundating idea in which we combustulate two of the greatest camaraderies of North America.
It's gonna resolutionate the food industry.
Don't you love the feeling of the sand in between your toes? Well, imagine that feeling in your mouth. Synergy. Now you might be wondering, how did a water-based restaurant get FDA approval?
Did we? Money. As an ethnic and environmentally conscious company, Get out of the shot! Taco Boat inspires all cultures and families to enjoy. Corporation. But we need your help. Without investors, Taco Boat won't be able to get off the ground and into the water. Follow me on the journey to investing.
Investing is easy. Just follow these few simple steps. Mike! First, visit our account on GoFundMe via this link, and if you think you can support our cause, then please donate money. Embezzlement.
Alright, we're just gonna give it to you straight. Taco Boat is an idea that Tim and I had to sell tacos from a boat on the beach to a bunch of drunk college students in a bunch of spring break towns like Florida, maybe California.
And Austin, Texas.
Yeah.
You've heard of food trucks. Now this is a food boat.
Yeah, so basically we need money to invest in a boat that will be FDA approved, and we need to get licenses. We just think that it would be a very big hit with all these, all these college kids, all these spring breakers would love tacos, especially if they see something as like hipster or as quirky as a boat selling them legally.
Exactly.
Taco boated, taco boated, taco boated, taco boated. Taco boat!